Good evening time, everybody. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. I would like to invite you to, if you don't care, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Check out our merch store. Check out DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Alright, guys, we got a little 2-pill test review. Started out straight through SWR like we do. Customer had this, he blowed the transistors out of it, so we put in 2 new transistors in there and good to go. Straight to SWR, zero. Turn him on, input SWR, 101212. Output PEP, get on down. Get on down in the world of sound. Breaker. Since she's all up and ready to go, let's go over here to her outdoor dummy load. See what she's doing. Just a real quick test review. Hello, get on down. 1, 2. SWR is a little bit higher, and I think it's to do with the weather. The colossal dummy load's got a little bit higher SWR, thanks to ice and stuff. So, at least we didn't get like Nashville did. My beam's still up for now, so good. Thank goodness. There you go, bud. Your little 2-pill's fixed up and ready to go. Appreciate you watching. Alrighty, guys, please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join our YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com and check out our merch store. Y'all take care. Your friend 10, 08 Beavis.